Hey, and this video will cover how you can use AI to quickly create SOPs for your team. We will be covering a simple SOP on how to use email guard to filter out some ESPs that you don't want to send to, like Outlook, for example. And I'll show you what's my process here and how you can greatly improve the speed of creation of the SOPs. This is the structure that we are going to have. So the first is to have a video that will walk you through the whole process. That's always a good idea because when someone is entirely new to doing a task, that is the easiest to follow. Next, it would be good to have a step-by-step guide because maybe they remember most of it but just want to see a specific part and they don't want to watch the whole video. And also UI changes a little bit, so it's easier to update just one image in the step-by-step guide than to reshoot the whole video. So it's more robust to have it. And I think you should have both. Some additional things that we can have is definition of done. So what's the desired outcome of this task and when is it completed? And some frequently asked questions. So when you have an SOP and if you get a question or see that something is not clear, you can re-explain it in the step-by-step part, but also add it here so it's more accessible. I've already created a short Loom video that goes through the process. And you can use Loom, you can use other tools. Loom is good because they automatically provide a transcript and we are going to use the transcript to feed it to AI. I'll be using ChatGPT, but you can use Claude, and I think that Claude model will be even better. But it's currently having some issues with, so I cannot show it using that model. But ChatGPT will also do fine. So this is the prompt that we're going to use. Really short and simple. We're going to provide you with a transcript and you're going to create a step-by-step guide for my SOP. We can press enter. It will confirm that it knows what to do and we are going to copy the whole transcript. If the transcript is too long, you can dissect it in multiple parts. So copy first part, then second part, then third part, and so on. And as we can see, it started to write a step-by-step guide. And I won't read everything out loud here, but I'm looking at it and it is really the sequence that I've described in my video. But when you're doing this for your SOPs, like you should read through it and ensure that it really didn't miss anything. And then you can further format this in different ways if you want, maybe like this, so it's aligned. And another nice addition that you cannot do by just copying the transcript is to also upload some images, because it will be easier to follow the step-by-step guide. So you can either go to the application and take screenshots or take screenshots from the video and then add those to some things that may be easier to track like that. You can also add URLs to make it easier for someone to follow. But as you can see, like you record the video, so you have to do that anyway, and then in a matter of minutes you can also have the whole step-by-step guide that could take longer to write. Then the definition of done, that's usually short and you can do it by yourself. So you can format it into a nicer sentence, but something that's an obvious outcome of the SOP. And for the questions, you could ask GPT, like what could be some potential issues, but it's better to just give the SOP to someone and then see, do they have any troubles? If they do, you try to rewrite that part, provide more images, but also include it here so they can have a section that clearly explains it. Okay. So if you have any questions, please post them in the comments, and if you want to get any help with automating your business or adding AI to your business, feel free to book a call on my website. The link will be in the description also. Bye.